Hey guys, so I just want to do this video showing how great that Aerolon techshine works. Now I haven't used that stuff for probably 6 months on this car, and as you can see, look at the water beading. It just rained here, so I want to just do a quick walk around video showing you guys how well this stuff actually works, and you don't have to apply it that often. Traditional waxes I've been using, it's like after about a month or two, it's like there's no more water beading properties, it seems like. This stuff keeps it slick, and when you wash it, everything comes right up. Like bird droppings and stuff doesn't get like embedded in on the paint. Makes it really easy to keep clean. And it just keeps that shine too, like this thing always looks shiny. You can look at the water drops there, and like I said, I haven't touched this stuff up for probably 6 months now with that stuff. It's about $29.95 a bottle. A little pricey, but a little bit goes a long way. I had the same bottle for almost 2 years now. I'll put a link in the description too if you guys want to pick it up. I got mine off Amazon. You can get it from a couple more auto parts stores too. But I'm a true believer of it. I'll pour some water here. You can see it in action here. If you look at that, the water just rolls right off. Easy. Works really good. Easy to apply. You just wash your car like normal. And while the car is still wet, you just put some of the Aerolon techshine on a rag, on a little sponge they give you, and then spread it all over the car. Just rub it into the surface. And then when you're done, hose it off and then dry it. And that's all you do. It's easy. Look at that. And it also makes drying it really easy, as you can see, because the water doesn't really stay on the surface. And you apply it over everything. The windows. I even do the wheels. That's why the wheels look so nice and shiny. And it's fine on the vinyl, all the overlays. If you guys put overlays on your car, you know, the chrome delete and all that, it's fine. Makes it nice and shiny. No need for Rain-X or anything on here. So it works really good, guys. If you're looking for a great, easy to use protectant for the car, I would highly recommend it. Like I said, I've used a ton of different products out there. And I think overall, this is one of my favorite ones because it's easy to use and it protects really well year round. You don't have to apply it every single month. A couple times a year and you're good to go, guys. So definitely check them out. Helps keep your car clean. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing good. And I will talk to you guys later.